Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Say welcome back, Banks. I'm actually gonna be doing a little fall night routine tonight, and I am starting this vlog off around like 4 o'clock, and I just got back from running a few errands. I went to the mall and I stopped at H&M and I got myself a belt because I just like purged my whole closet and I got rid of a lot of my belts because they were just like out of style and I didn't really like them, so I just got like a simple black belt. Hang on, I'll show you. This is the belt, like a gold buckle, and then a thin black belt. I don't know, belts are coming back into style, which is interesting. I feel like they went out for a really long time, but they're like kind of coming back, but not like statement belts, like just like normal belts. I don't know, whatever. But I just got back from there and I like quickly tidied up my room, and Banks is in here, he's just chilling out. But I am gonna insert a little like room tour right now. I think I filmed it earlier, but I moved back home. I was gonna do a moving vlog, but I felt so sick the day that I moved out of my apartment. You guys know the apartment at my college campus. But I felt really sick that day, so I just like didn't feel like filming because moving everything out was chaotic enough. But now I'm back in my like childhood home, moved everything back in here, but I kind of like redid everything. So I'm gonna be doing that and I'll insert it now. Okay guys, so this is my room tour. I think I mentioned earlier, but this used to be my sister's room. She moved out and I lived in the room on the other side of this wall, and it's a lot smaller. And this room is bigger and it has its own bathroom. So when she moved out, I moved in and I recently redid it, painted the walls and everything, and now all my furniture from my apartment is in here. So here we've just got my nightstand. I believe it's Target. My bed is IKEA. It's the same bed that was in my apartment. It just has like the drawers that can open. This carpet was in my living room in my apartment, but now I just like put it in my bed. So we have my bedding, my whole bed area. Super cute. I'm gonna put a big frame above my bed, and it's like a cool black and white print of like people surfing. I really like it. And then over here we've just got my whole wardrobe. Not my whole wardrobe, that'd be crazy. My closet is over there. But this is like kind of like my decorative new clothes I bought sort of thing. What is this called? Why am I literally blanking? Clothing rack. Okay, this is my clothing rack. So I have like new things I've purchased on there. I have a book, my purse, a bottle of Italian Prosecco, I believe it is. I just thought the bottle was pretty. Some shoes. And then this is like an IKEA drawer. You know how everyone had these drawers like in the makeup YouTuber era? I just have a bunch of like products in here. This is like a self-tanning drawer, so I just have stuff like that in there. And then podcasting microphone that I've not used yet. And then over here we've got my big IKEA mirror. Fit check, hey. I love this mirror, and I like putting it in the corner because it gets the best light from these two like floor length windows. And then over here we've got my dresser area. So I have this little mirror. I will probably end up hanging it, but for now it's just right there. And then I've got some decorative books, some coasters, a candle, and then my 818. Yeah, and then I just have like my like t-shirts and more like chill clothes and stuff in here. And then we've got my acrylic jewelry holder over there. So that's a little overview of that area. And then we just have, that's my bathroom in there, and then this is my desk. It's Target, and then I just have like a planner, my scrapbook. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my room tour. So back to current Melinda. But other than that, I just got some ice in this big mason jar, and I'm gonna drink this like poppy drink that I'm trying out. I got it at Target, but it's supposed to be like soda that's good for you, but they didn't have like the cola flavor that I was looking for because I love Coke, so I thought that like getting a drink that I could drink that wasn't water that was like better for you, and I don't like sparkling water, so I wanted to try these out because they're like soda, but they're good for like gut health and supposedly good for you. Oh my god. What is this? Raspberry rose. Okay, I'm gonna do a taste test. That's actually really good. I wouldn't say it tastes like soda, but it's definitely better than sparkling water. But now I am going to, I got this little, well, it's actually really big, photo album at Michael's when I was out today too, because I have all my film pictures in my desk. So I wanted to take all my film pictures that I have so far and put them in my photo album, because my plan is to kind of have this photo album of like my 20s. Can look back on just like all these different memories from my 20s, and I really like the idea of like having printed out pictures. And like, yes, I could print out pictures from my iPhone, but it's just like not the same. Like, I love the idea of having pictures that were taken on like a camera, not on your phone, because I think that it's very different. Like, the pictures that you take on a film camera are like real raw moments versus like iPhone pictures can kind of be more like curated. Hi Banks. But yeah, I loved looking through my parents' old photo albums. Like, that was literally like a hobby of me and my siblings. We would always do that and like still do. It's just so fun. So I want to have something like that for my kids to look back on, or just like for me. So yeah, I am just gonna sit here, probably light a candle, and put the photos into this album. Just my Italy pictures, but I love it so much so far. I'm very, very excited to have this all done. It's so cute. Some from the summer. Okay, so I finished doing my scrapbook. It came out so cute. I'm so excited to keep just like adding to it as we go, but it's like 5:30 now, so it did take me like an hour and a half just to like organize the pictures in like a cute way and like in order of like the events that the pictures were of and stuff. But I quickly just changed, and I am going to go work out really quick just in my basement. We have a Peloton, so I'm just gonna do a quick ride. I feel like every change of the season is really when I'm like, okay, like, let's get my life together. So I'm kind of in that era right now, especially in like a big season of change with like moving back home and just trying to like get a new routine down, because now everything's different from the routine that I had while I was at school. So yeah, I mean, we have the equipment in my basement, so why not utilize it? So I am gonna go do that. Okay, so I finished working out and I just did like a full body, hair, everything shower. You know, one of those ones that are super cozy. So I just did that, and now I'm going to do my skincare routine, and I'm going to show you guys kind of like what I've been doing because it is different from before. Some of my other videos I've done like skincare routines and stuff, so I've switched it up. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I've been doing recently. If you could tell, I got a spray tan this weekend because somewhere near my house does like free tan weekends. So like if it's free, why not tan? I feel like my summer tan started to go away, so I wanted to be tan, but it is like so patchy on my face, and it's Tuesday and I got it on Sunday, so like shouldn't be that patchy already, but I don't know. So I'm honestly kind of trying to like exfoliate it off. So to do that, I'm using the Paula's Choice Exfoliate 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This stuff is literally so good. I got like a mini size and then I purchased the big size because I'm literally like obsessed with it. It's just so good if you have any kind of texture, or like I have not even like blackheads, it's just like texture on my chin and my nose. So this stuff really helps to like kind of minimize all that texture. I also prefer this over like a facial exfoliant because I just feel like that's like too rough, but this is literally just feels like you're putting like water on your skin, but it does a good job at exfoliating. As you can see, like look at all that self tanner on there. But yeah, I love this stuff. And then just because I'm like in the cozy vibes kind of mood, I'm gonna gua sha. I don't do this all the time, just like sometimes like if I do like the full everything shower and I'm just like feeling really self-care. But I do use this Sephora vitamin C serum. I typically will use it in the mornings, but I will just use it to do my gua sha. Okay, gua sha is done, and then I just use my Clinique Moisture Surge Intense Moisturizer. You guys know I literally love this. It's my holy grail product. If you have like severely dry skin, especially in the winter, this stuff is incredible. Like, it is the only moisturizer that actually works for me. I have tried literally everything, and it is worth the high price because it is the world's best moisturizer. Then I just finish up with my Laneige sleeping mask. And then because I did wash my hair tonight, I'm gonna use this hair oil. Literally don't know how to say it, but I'm just gonna rub it into the ends of my hair because she is dead. I desperately need a haircut, and I'm thinking of coloring my hair too, but that is a vlog for a different day. But that is my updated skincare routine. Now I'm just gonna watch Bachelor in Paradise. I actually like am so tired of the Bachelor franchise, but my mom and my sister like watching it, so it's honestly just like to spend quality time with them because I feel like I just like can't stand the Bachelor anything anymore. Like, it's getting bad. Let me know if you agree with that statement, but I kind of just feel like I have to watch it because it's like tradition. But I'm gonna watch that. Honestly, I probably won't really even pay attention. I'll just like go on my laptop and do work or something. But that is the plan for the rest of the night, and I'll update you guys a little bit later. Alright, so we finished watching Bachelor in Paradise and now I am just in bed all cozy, ready to go to bed. I feel like my bedtime routine, like once I get into bed, is pretty much either I'll watch Netflix or like any show. I'm between Gilmore Girls and The Patient on Hulu right now. And so I'm like, what mood I'm in. Gilmore Girls, I just started it. I've never watched it before, but everyone's like Gilmore Girls fall, so I like wanted to hop on the bandwagon. And it's definitely like a mindless show. Like you don't really have to pay attention. Like I'll scroll on my phone or whatever while I'm watching it. But it's kind of like a comfort show. But it's like really, really raining out, so I feel like I'm gonna watch Gilmore Girls. The Patient is like a little bit more like you have to pay attention to it kind of show. But I will either watch TV or read or like watch YouTube videos, TikTok until I fall asleep. But it's still like, it's like 10 o'clock. I did get a new book. I'm literally using a hair tie as a bookmark, but it is called One True Loves. It's by Taylor Jenkins Reid. She did 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I tried to read that book, but I like couldn't really get into it, so I was gonna try this one. I haven't heard of it yet, but I've read the back at Barnes & Noble and it really intrigued me. It's like kind of like mystery mixed with romance, which is like right up my alley. So I will either read this, I just got it, I'm only like 2 chapters in, but it's super good so far. So I'll either read that, watch TV, or just scroll until I fall asleep. But I'm not tired at all yet, so I think I'm just gonna like watch some Gilmore Girls, scroll on TikTok, do that kind of thing until I am sleepy and fall asleep. But I hope you guys enjoyed my fall nighttime routine. I feel like this is like a pretty standard version of what I've been doing lately to get into like more of a routine for the new season. So I hope you guys liked this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.